Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to draw a donut and a cup of coffee or hot chocolate. So I'm going to start off on the right side of my paper. And we'll draw an oval, medium-sized oval. And then from there, we'll draw a line down on the left side and curve around the bottom, and then draw a straight line down on the right side to connect the two lines. Next, we'll draw the handle of the mug, and we'll just draw a half circle on either side. And then you put another half circle in between the straight line and the other half circle. And that will be the handle to the mug. Next, I'm going to draw two big ovals for eyes on the front of the mug. And then inside those ovals, I'll draw two circles for the highlights. And when I color the eye, I'll leave those inside of the circle white. And that will be the highlight of the eye. Next, I'll put a smile on it in between the two eyes. And we'll add some eyelashes to both eyes. I just draw two little curved lines. Next, we'll draw two eyebrows. So again, two small curved lines. And here I am drawing the back part of the mug, so I just do another half circle line on the back end of the mug, and then we'll add a heart. Just remember, at any point you can pause the video if you need to catch up or take a break. Next, we'll draw the donut right next to it. So I just do a really big circle. And then in the middle of that circle, I draw another smaller circle for the whole of the donut. Next, we'll draw the eyes, so I do two big circles on the bottom part of the donut. And then inside the circle, we'll add two more circles for highlights in each eye. Now I chose to do a strawberry donut. You can do a chocolate donut. You can do vanilla. You can make it blue, like a blueberry donut. You don't have to put icing on it. You can leave it plain. Next, I'm going to draw the smile. And I'll add eyelashes to the donut as well. I'll add two small lines for eyebrows on each side above the eye. Next, we'll draw the heart. Now I'm going to draw the icing. So I'm going to make it look like it's dripping and I just do like half circles, squiggle lines up and down to the middle of the donut, and then I start on the other side and I go to the other side of the donut. And that's how you draw a mug and a donut. So I'm going to go color it now and add some details. Remember, if you want to see upcoming videos, just subscribe to the channel. I really hope you guys had a fun time drawing with me today and creating. And you guys have an awesome day.